How to fix sleep deprivation, practical tips for restful nights. So, what can you actually do to break free from the cycle of sleep deprivation? The good news? Improving your sleep is possible with a few simple changes. First, set a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Next, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away screens at least 30 minutes before bed, and try calming activities like reading or gentle stretches. Make your sleep environment comfortable. Keep your room cool, quiet, and dark, and invest in a good mattress and pillow. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, and limit alcohol, which can disrupt your sleep cycle. If you find your mind racing at night, consider keeping a journal to jot down worries or to-do lists before you hit the pillow. Finally, prioritize sleep as part of your overall health. Remember, quality rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for your mind and body. By making sleep a priority and following these practical tips, you can reclaim your nights and feel your best every day. Subscribe for better sleep. Watch more related YouTube videos on our channel.